Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play Grand Theft Auto 5 in your mobile device. Literally, you can play GTA 5 in your Android or even iOS. And the best part is you can play the game with maximum graphics settings. And another best thing is you can play this with any smartphone, in any smartphone. Even though if you have a smartphone from 2015, you can still play it. It's going to be working on any Android device and any iOS device, iPhone, Android, Samsung, whatever you call it, doesn't really matter. You can play GTA 5. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. It's pretty simple, and the game is going to be running so smooth, 60 FPS, and I will be explaining how to do that. So now let's get right into it. Alright, so there are a couple of things that you need, and the first thing is going to be a gaming console, literally any gaming console. I'm using PS5. You can use a PS4, Xbox, doesn't really matter, and you need to have the game into your console. And once you have that, what you want to do is you're going to have to go to your smartphone. If you're using PlayStation, you're going to have to download the PS app and the remote play app. So I have the PS app right here. So you're going to have to start the app, log into your account, and then click on recently played games, or simply go to games that you have in your console. I have GTA 5, so what you want to do is you're going to have to wait for a bit, and this menu is going to show up that says play using PS remote play. You're going to have to click on that, and it's going to be you will see the connecting screen, and this might take a while, depends on your internet connection. I have like 100 megabits internet, so it took a little bit time. But if you have a faster internet, it's going to be even faster. It will say linking to your PS5, checking for network. And once it's done, you will see the PlayStation screen onto your phone. So now what you want to do here is you're going to have to turn on the auto rotation. And then you will see the PlayStation control on your screen as well. And now you can simply play GTA 5. And the best part is you can play GTA 5 online as well. But I'm not going to do that because GTA 5 online takes a little bit time to load. So we're just gonna play story mode. So as you can see, I started GTA 5 and I can literally play it. It's loading, and trust me, the game works 60 FPS without any delay. So that's a plus point. And even there's no input lag, when you're pressing the button, there's no input lag. I mean, it's not as good as a console, but it's it's literally so playable. You can play it. So you see, I'm playing GTA 5 right now, and yeah, you can play any game that you have on your console, on your phone, literally on your phone, any game, anytime. All you have to do is you're gonna have to have internet connection and the game in your PlayStation, and that's it. And you can play this while you are anywhere. If your PlayStation is your home, you're at your school, you can still play it, even though I would not recommend you to play games while you're in school. But apart from that, you can play games on your bus, when you're traveling or something like that with internet connection. So anyway, this is the video. This is how you can play GTA 5 onto your mobile device. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And by any chance, if you didn't like the video, you can hit that dislike button twice. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.